In the second part of Project Embed, we create our sample geographic coordinates to use as data points for creating a heat map of mattress tag pulling incidents later. One requirement is avoiding real addresses to respect privacy. Since this is fictional data anyway, we can use public spaces like parks without losing realism. We're going to use a website called OpenStreetMap to find a location for data points. We'll zoom in and pick a city, Bloomington. Here's a park we can work with. Let's create a rectangle to define a region. Be sure to save the coordinates. You'll need them later. You can copy and paste them. I'll do that offline to keep the video brief. Here's a Python script that Claude AI created. It will be available on GitHub later. You can find a link to it in the description. We'll use this script to generate our test data, which we'll later import into SQL Server for spatial analysis. You'll need to set up an environment to run this Python script if you haven't already. We won't cover that in this video, however, to keep things brief. Earlier, we pasted our coordinates from the OpenStreetMap region into these four values. This is set up to plot 200 points and save them to a CSV file. This code does not do any actual mapping. It simply generates assorted coordinates within the region defined earlier and saves them to a file called randomcoordinates.csv. We then run the script and the CSV file is generated. We will double check to see that the script created randomcoordinates.csv properly. You can open it in a text editor like Notepad. A look at this file shows that the coordinates are created properly and that there are 200 of them. That wraps it up for part 2. In the next video, part 3, we will create the heat map.